Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please, you have come to my happy place and you won't regret at all. So in today's video, I'm going to show how I make my gizdodo. This is a typical Nigerian dish, but Ghanaians enjoy it as well. Please stay tuned, do not go anywhere, and let's enjoy this recipe because it tastes so delicious and I can't wait for you all to try it. So the ingredients you will need are your gizzards. You wash and prep them nicely to make sure they are wholesome for eating. You have some red onions, some green peppers, ginger, garlic, and also the major ingredients that we are going to need is our ripe plantains. Yeah, there's no gizdodo without ripe plantains because it's stewed plantains and gizzards. Yeah. And also you have your cube, your salt, and your shrimp powder. We have some green bell peppers as well. So go ahead and blend the green peppers together with the ginger, onions, and garlic, and use some to season the gizzards to make it very tasty. Yeah, you all know I like tasty stuff. And after you chop your green bell peppers and your red onions nicely, that is what you are going to use for garnishing. And we've chopped the ripe plantains, so I have the gizzard on fire and it's steaming very nicely. Yeah, so this is it. And now in a saucepan you put in your vegetable oil, then you first fry your gizzards. Yeah, you fry it until it becomes crunchy, then you take them out of the oil and go ahead and fry your ripe plantains as well. So now, as you can see, these gizzards look so beautiful and crunchy. So I'll go ahead and take them out of the oil and put in the ripe plantains as well and allow that one to fry, because when you are frying the ripe plantain you really need patience, otherwise you will mess up the whole thing. So you need patience, allow it to sit prettily in the oil and fry until it changes color to golden brown. Then you take them out of the oil and now we'll go to the main prep, that is our stew base. So now we will first allow the ripe plantains to fry, as you can see. So now we can go ahead and take the ripe plantains out of the oil and get into making the stew base. So after taking the ripe plantains out, you are going to add palm oil to the little amount of oil left in the saucepan. Then you pour in your blended ginger, garlic, pepper and onions. Yes, then you allow it to cook for some time. Then you add your shrimp powder and your cube together with your salt to it for taste. As you can see, I've added the shrimp powder, and guys, this shrimp powder has some amazing flavor it gives to your food when you use it. I tell you. So you add it and allow it to fry for some time. Then you go ahead and pour in the already fried gizzards and the ripe plantains to it, and voila, you only garnish it and you can serve. It tastes so delicious. I want you all to try this. And now we will pour in our already chopped green bell peppers and the onions to wait for garnishing. If you have some scallions, you can add them, carrots, red bell peppers, anything you can use for garnishing. That will make it taste more delicious. You can add it and you are ready to go. You can serve it with some rice, gari, or you can eat it alone. When I made this, Tiozi actually came over to eat some, and he can testify that this tasted so delicious. So thank you all so much for watching, and please, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and comment and like, and don't forget to share my videos too. Thank you so much. See you on another one. Stay safe and bye bye.